That looked so scary, man.
It may be okay for you to cross the street on a quiet street in your neighborhood,
but do you know how to be a smart pedestrian when you're crossing the street on your own?
What the hell? This happens only in India.
कहीं होता है रे भैया?
ये है आम जिंदगी, ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी।
Smart boy.
कभी कभी लगता है कि अपन ही भगवान है।
I have a little integrity left yet. Although I won't deny it's very tempting, not gonna lie. But I choose the high road.
बस लायक है क्या?
Damn, that's an M3? I guess. Doesn't show a label there. But those exhausts are fancy. So it must sound good. It does sound good.
तो किस लेवल का ठरकी है यार? ठीक है भाई, मैं चलता।
Am I the idiot to wait? Guys, please join me. Thank you. These guys won't last. Go already, man. नाम खराब करके रख दिया है हमारी कौम का।
पहले इस कौम को आप सीरियस बनाएं, इनकी बदतमीजियां बंद करें।
God damn it, I feel sorry for that scooter. और वो रुकेगा नहीं, हाँ वो चला जाएगा। वही
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ। आपकी पावर है तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया। परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर।
Is it a public holiday today? It's peak time on a Wednesday, and why is the traffic so less? I have a problem with that. I have a problem with my bike going over 200, not 200. I have a problem with my bike going over 20 kilometers per hour. I seriously don't understand the traffic, man. I just won't get it. What the hell? That's so cute. Damn, that's very spooky. Holy sh! That looked so scary, man. Holy. That was very scary. I suddenly went all cold. Some random ladies randomly staring into the universe. Oh man. Who are these people? Weird things are happening today, man.
You should be arrested. People like you should be arrested.
I mean, I have no idea what these guys are doing. They must be doing something related to some festival or something. But like unusual things, not weird, but unusual things are happening today. Yeah. अबे कहाँ हाईवे पे चला रहे हो क्या? Why the f do you have to flaunt those fucking ugly looking lights? If anyone watching this video has such kind of lights on their bike, I do have them as well. But this is not the right place to use them. Use them on highways. This is not a highway. This is nowhere close. Just don't do it. It's not cool. You don't look stylish with that. Look at this idiot. You don't look stylish with that. It doesn't increase your masculinity. And it's not even practical.
मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ
Bonus.
What is up with traffic today, though? I've never seen this road so empty. I mean, at this time. I mean, of course, I'm enjoying it, but I'm curious as well. Like, is it a public holiday today? If I'm not mistaken, it's 2nd of December, and it's a Wednesday, 8:15, 8:20 p.m.
What? Hold up. Wait.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.